Hello everybody, this is Mr. Kimmel with another screencast for Life Science. In this lesson, we're going to get introduced to the idea of evolution. Here are your state standards for this unit, and these are your learning objectives for this unit. Before we can talk about evolution, we must first learn what an adaptation is. An adaptation is an inherited trait that helps an organism survive. Let's look at Mr. Polar Bear. What are some characteristics that he has that helps him survive? He has teeth that allows him to eat meat. He has large furry feet to help him walk in his snowy and icy environment. And his white fur helps him to blend into his environment. These are just a few of his adaptations. Can you think of any others? Evolution is the process by which organisms acquire adaptations over time. There are two ways this generally happens, slowly or quickly. Gradualism is the evolution that happens slowly, like shown on the left in this diagram. This butterfly evolved into two different colors through gradual changes over a long period of time. Punctuated equilibrium is evolution that happens quickly, as shown on the right. This butterfly evolved into two different colors, but the original never went extinct. In this example, we will learn how this occurs in another lesson. You may have heard the term ancestors before in relation to your family, and the same meaning is true here. An ancestor, with regards to evolution, is an organism from which others have descended. Scientists hypothesize that all life forms evolved from a common ancestor, and new species branched off from earlier species. Did you know that bacteria were the first living things on Earth? Fossils of bacteria have been found in rocks that are 3 billion years old. This picture on the left is a poster on the right shows an incorrect and correct family tree and evolution tree. We use diagrams called cladograms to display relationships among species and their ancestors. It resembles a branching tree, with each branch representing a different evolutionary path. Where two branches meet is called a node. This represents a common ancestor that shares characteristics with the species that branches off of it. A phylogenetic tree is similar to a cladogram, with the difference that the branches in the phylogenetic tree represents a length of time, and the branches of a cladogram are all the same length. Even video games evolve